Welcome to the Impressive Investing Ideas channel. In this video, we will learn how to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. If you've ever wondered how people earn passive income online, you're in the right place. So let's start by understanding what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based business model where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. It's an accessible way for anyone to start earning money online, regardless of their background or experience. In today's digital economy, affiliate marketing has become a vital income stream for many individuals and businesses alike. With the rise of e-commerce and social media, the opportunities to connect with potential customers are endless. This means that even as a beginner, you can tap into this vast market and start generating income from the comfort of your home. Throughout this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of affiliate marketing, share tips for success, and help you navigate this exciting journey. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income or create a full-time business, stay tuned as we explore the world of affiliate marketing. So, how does affiliate marketing work? Affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy where individuals, known as affiliates, promote products or services offered by merchants. The key components of this system include the affiliates, the merchants, and the consumers. Affiliates earn commissions by driving traffic and sales to the merchant's website through their promotional efforts. At the heart of affiliate marketing are affiliate links, which are unique URLs assigned to each affiliate. When a consumer clicks on an affiliate link, they are directed to the merchant's site, and their activity is tracked through cookies. This tracking ensures that the affiliate receives credit for any sales made as a result of their referral. Commissions are earned when a consumer makes a purchase after clicking on the affiliate link. The amount earned can vary based on the merchant's commission structure, which may include a percentage of the sale or a fixed amount per sale. This system creates a win-win situation. Merchants gain more sales, while affiliates earn money for their marketing efforts. Understanding these components is essential for anyone looking to succeed in affiliate marketing. To make this idea even more relatable to you, let's follow along our fictional character named Daisy. Daisy is in her mid-30s and brand new to affiliate marketing. She is looking to make some extra money while also maintaining her full-time job. After doing some research, Daisy understands that her first step to her affiliate marketing journey is to choose a niche. So, how do you choose a niche and why is it important? Here at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel, we would advise Daisy to choose a niche that she is passionate about. We believe that when you genuinely care about the topic, it becomes easier to create engaging content and connect with your audience. Your enthusiasm will shine through, making your promotions more authentic and effective. Next, it's important to research the market demand and competition within your chosen niche. Use tools like Google Trends or keyword research platforms to gauge interest and identify popular topics. A niche with high demand but manageable competition can provide a solid foundation for your affiliate marketing efforts. Finally, look for potential affiliate programs that align with your niche. We, here at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel, would advise Daisy to explore options that resonate with her interests and values. By partnering with reputable brands that fit her niche, she can promote products that she truly believes in, making it easier to build trust with her audience. We would also advise Daisy to not spend too much time on this step. Here at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel, we have seen far too many people stuck at this initial step, which led them to never take action and never see any actual results. We want you to avoid this mistake. We would advise Daisy to give herself a deadline, about a week to choose a niche. After 1 week, you should have your niche and ready for your next step. Daisy decided to choose a beauty niche. Once you've chosen your niche, the next step is to find and join relevant affiliate programs. One of the best places to start is with popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates and ClickBank. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services, making it easy to find items that align with your niche. By signing up for these networks, you will gain access to numerous affiliate opportunities all in one place. Before joining any program, it's crucial to review the terms and commission structures. Each affiliate program has its own rules regarding payouts and promotional guidelines. One of the most powerful affiliate marketing strategies is implementing SEO techniques to improve your organic search visibility. By optimizing your content with relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and quality backlinks, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search engine results. This will help potential customers discover your content when searching for related topics. Since SEO techniques are important to learn and understand, we will have a separate video dedicated to SEO techniques. Here at Impressive Investing Ideas channel, we helped Daisy understand that social media marketing also plays a significant role in driving traffic. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter allow you to share your content with a broader audience. Engaging posts, eye-catching visuals, and interactive stories can capture attention and encourage users to visit your affiliate links. Building a community around your brand on social media can lead to increased trust and loyalty. After learning all of this information, Daisy was a bit overwhelmed. She uses social media, but never imagined she could use it to make money. Here, at the Impressive Investing Ideas channel, we recommended Daisy to pick a social media platform and focus on producing high-quality content geared towards her target audience. By producing valuable content, Daisy will be able to effectively promote affiliate products. Since she already used Instagram for personal purposes, Daisy decided to start a new business page on Instagram to promote beauty products and its affiliate links. She decides that she will review beauty products by recording herself as she demonstrates how to use these beauty products and posting the videos to her Instagram page. Since she is very passionate about the health and beauty industry, she is also planning to post educational videos about skin health that she thinks her audience will benefit. Daisy understands that consistency in content creation is key to building an audience. She plans to regularly publish high-quality content that is both educational and entertaining. Stay tuned as we follow Daisy in our next series of videos to learn how she is learning to create high-quality content to get more views. She will be learning AI, social media platforms, different monetization methods, marketing, and much more in the upcoming videos. She will also be analyzing and tracking her performance with tools like Google Analytics. She will need to learn how to scale and grow her business. This will be a huge learning process for Daisy, but she understands that attracting visitors to her affiliate content is crucial for generating sales. The amount of information was overwhelming for Daisy, but she managed to make her step-by-step to-do list. Here is a detailed to-do list. Number 1, create an Instagram business page. Number 2, enroll in online classes to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing. Daisy picked Udemy as her learning platform because she learned that she can watch classes at her own convenience, and it is a one-time payment of $250 for a full year. Number 3, she decided to niche down to Korean beauty products. Instead of trying to promote all beauty products, she was passionate about Korean beauty products. Number 4, she researched and contacted reputable Korean beauty companies to learn about their affiliate marketing products. Number 5, she started producing quality content and posted the unique link on her page. But perhaps the most important thing she wrote down on her list is a reminder to herself that persistence and continuous learning are vital in this journey. She wrote down to herself in big, bold letters, "Don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Success often comes with time and effort." Thank you for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Like and subscribe.